9 halls, thousands of people, the constant sounds of machines running. GlassTec is the place for the global glass industry, and there's no other show quite like it. I'm Ellen Rogers, editor of US Glass Magazine, and welcome to our first day here at GlassTec, taking place this week in Dusseldorf, Germany. We also have our assistant editor, Jordan Scott, here at the show. And Jordan, this is your first time at GlassTec.
It is.
What do you think so far?
I think it's been really exciting. It's almost overwhelming how much innovation and technology there is within the glass world, and it's exciting to see it all come together in one big location.
And what did you think of the opening last night?
The opening was very exciting. There's an informative panel discussion, live entertainment, and a delicious dinner.
Yes, that was impressive, and so is this show. Now, to get an idea of what GlassTec is like, think about a typical US trade show, and then multiply it by 9. This week's show takes up 9 of the 18 halls here at Messe Dusseldorf, and each one is packed with hundreds of exhibitors. The show site itself is unlike any traditional convention center. There's a grocery store, a florist, bank, business center, restaurants. Pretty much anything and everything you need is all right here.
And when it comes to exhibitors, one of the biggest machinery trends we've seen lately has been the move toward robotics and automation. We got to look at some of those new lines today and learn how these machines are helping companies become safer and more efficient.
Well, we're very excited about this line. Obviously, it's integration and automation. It's the movement towards Industry 4.0. So what we've seen is customers have the ability to increase their production output exponentially. Truly exponentially. So safety is up, risk is down. The robots load the initial piece, goes through, it transfers. It may offload it if they want to run one side or two long, one short, or all 4 sides, offload it onto a cart and then down to downstream machinery. It also has the ability to integrate other machinery into the line, like the washer that's there.
We're using robots right now for all sorts of different automation in all the different types of machinery that we offer. So adding robotics to the existing equipment that companies have, and also selling complete lines with automation integrated into the line. I think that people are finally seeing the benefit of robotics. The price, at first was a little bit tough to swallow, but when you consider all of the efficiency that you gain and the benefits of having the accuracy of the robot, they don't make mistakes like humans do, and if something bad does happen, they don't get hurt like a human does.
For this year, we brought us the robot system with the two 11 spindle machines to process a customer's glass. It's a newer setup that we have here now with the operation to be able to run off of one machine to support all 4 pieces with the 2 machines, the robot and the washer. It increases your production on an average 20 to 25% compared to what you were doing on a daily basis with operators. We've gone to the point now where we have a new setup here displayed for automatic adjustment of diamond wear. So you don't have to do setups, it's automatically done throughout the machines. And we also supply that in the polishing wheels as well for polish wheel, which gives you better wear of your wheels, longer lasting, better quality.
In addition to robotics, we've also been hearing a lot about Industry 4.0, or the Internet of Things. This is basically the interconnectivity of the machinery and equipment through software, and it's a direction that more and more machinery companies are taking. We spoke to Nancy Mamaro of MAPI about their Industry 4.0 capabilities.
MAPI is really sensitive to this 4.0. We incorporate the interface with the machine and the customer. From Italy or from the office in Naples, because that's the second location we have, but everything is connected directly with the machine. So we're able to get into the machine and help for any service or upgrade support that the customer needs. At the same time, we try to follow all the aspects of the 4.0, that it will be the energy saving, so everything it will be checked by this monitor, so we're able to check if the machine is following all those rules.
Automation is also being incorporated into drilling and edging equipment. with companies like Schiatti and Skill Glass both showcasing some of these new features.
This is a fully automatic machine which corresponds also to Industry 4.0, and this is for making drills and also notches and milling in the center of the glass or any place in the glass. It is fully automated in terms that the operator don't need to change the tools because the machine does it by itself, and also can be controlled by a remote system. So even for us it's good, because if the machine has a problem in remote, doesn't matter where the machine is. The intervention of the operator is really limited only to loading and unloading the machine.
This is the Skill ED. It's your new workstation in the vertical design, where it will do the edge processing, the holes. It'll route out for your hardware for shower doors. It does the internal cutouts and internal polishing. The vacuum belt system is what differentiates this from the other vertical machines. It's not a suction cup system, so you don't have any limits to where you can mill and drill. Well, everything's more automated and everything's getting more simplified and easier, so that the owners have more ease using the machine with the software and that kind of thing.
Well, Jordan, we're just about done with day one. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. My feet are already starting to hurt a little bit, but I'm excited to see what all of these exciting companies are bringing to the show.
Well, my favorite part of this show is always the Glass Technology Live area, and we will be checking out some of those innovative displays later this week. So be sure to keep watching.
You can also follow us on social media, and if you're here at the show, stop by and see us in Hall 13, stand D14.
Thanks for watching. I'm Ellen Rogers.
And I'm Jordan Scott.